Hello students, hopefully all of you are fine and taking care of your health too. Students, our today's topic is articles. I know all of you are familiar with this topic, but the difference is today we will be learning it with some more rules, how and when to use these articles. So kindly go through the video sincerely. Let us begin our session. We use an alarm clock to fix time. Rohan is bouncing a ball. We use an umbrella to protect us from the rain. Radha is playing a guitar. Students, did you notice some of the words have a before them and some of them they are having and before them. Do you know why? Okay, let's find out. So students, let us learn about usage of a or an. All of you know that there are 26 letters in alphabets and out of which 5 are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. All these 5 letters are vowels. So the words which starts with a vowel sound, we use an before them. So students, as I already told you, we have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Now what is this? Engine. Now engine words start with a vowel sound. That's why we have put an before an engine. So students, now let us talk about consonants. Now these remaining 21 letters are known as consonants, and the words which starts with a consonant sound, we use a before that word. So students, the use of a or an depends on the actual sound of the letter. It is not compulsory that if a word is starting with vowel, then you have to put an before it. It depends on the sound. So let us look into the exceptions to this rule. Now what is this? This is a clock. What does it show to us? It is showing time to us. Now here, consonant H. Now R, the word is R. It is starting with consonant. But what is the pronunciation? What sound can you hear when you are pronouncing it? R. A sound. That means sound is of vowel. So we will put an before this word. So here you can see the word is starting with a consonant, but it is having a vowel sound. That's why we have used an. Now here, a hat. Now hat also begins with the same letter, H, consonant, but it is having a consonant sound, h, hat. That's why we have put a here. So now let us look into more examples. Vowel U but consonant sound Y. Here we use a before the word. The example, unicorn. Now U is a vowel but sound is y, consonant sound. That's why we will be using a before this word. A unicorn. In the case of word umbrella, now again here we are using the same vowel U, but it is having a vowel sound. So we will be using an before the umbrella. Differences of sound only. So if you have any kind of confusion, students, speak the word twice, thrice and try to find out the sound. If you are getting a consonant sound, you will be using a, and if you are getting a vowel sound, you will be using an. So students, now let us learn about the use of word the. The first rule is when we have already spoken about a person, place or a thing. In this sentence, we are talking about a cat. In the first sentence, I have written, I saw a cat in the kitchen. And in the second sentence, I have written, the cat was drinking milk. Though I am talking about the same cat, the difference is that in the first sentence, because I saw that cat for the first time, I have used a, and in the second sentence, now because I have already spoken about that cat, I used the. With superlative degree of adjectives. Students, superlative degree of adjectives is the highest degree. If you remember, we did it in our last grammar session, degree of adjectives. If you have forgot, you can revisit the video and revise it. Now the sentence is, Rajiv is the tallest boy in the class. Now, tall is the adjective, taller is comparative degree, and tallest is the superlative degree. That's why we have used the tallest in this sentence. Now let us learn about the more uses of word the. Before the names of the holy books. Holy books means religious books like the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, Bible. There are so many religious books. Before the ordinals. Now students, what are ordinals? This we also did when we were doing adjectives, ordinals and cardinals, if you remember. If you don't, kindly revisit the video and revise it. Ordinals tells us about the position of a person, place or a thing. Like this, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now here, the sentence is Rohan was the first to finish the marathon. Now why we have used here the first? Because first is an ordinal and it is telling us about the position of Rohan at which he finished the marathon. Now let us look into the more use of word the with the names of oceans, deserts and canals. The Thar Desert is the largest in India. Now, this is the name of desert. That's why we have used the. But you can see that here we have used the with largest also. Why? Because largest is the superlative degree of adjectives. With the names of rivers and mountains. The river Nile is the longest river in the world. Now again here, Nile is the name of the river. That's why we have used the. And here again, longest is the superlative degree of adjectives. That's why we have written the here. Now more uses of word the. Before a noun which refers to the whole class of persons, places, animals or things. The giraffe is the tallest animal. Now here the giraffe. Giraffe is a noun all of us know as it is a name of an animal and here it is referring to the whole class of giraffe. What it is telling about the class of giraffe? That the giraffe is the tallest animal. That's why we have used the. And here tallest is a superlative degree as we have read already that with superlative degree also we use the. When we are speaking about a specific person, place or a thing. Now here, I like the book that my father gifted me. Means there is a possibility that I am having so many books. But which book I am talking about specifically is which my father has gifted me. Now more uses of word the. Before a noun that refers to one of its kind. Now here, the earth goes around the sun. Before a noun that refers to one of its kind means that is only one and all of us know that sun is also only one and the earth is also only one. That's why we have used the before earth and the sun. with famous buildings, monuments, trains, etc. Like this. The Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. So Taj Mahal is a name of a monument. That's why we have used the. So students, the three words that we have just learned about a, an and the are called articles. These are also known as adjectives that describes a noun. So now let us learn more about them. A and an. A and an are used before a noun singular in number. And these are indefinite articles. The The is used to refer nouns, singular or plural in number. Means we can use this with both singular or plural. The is a definite article. So students, now let us learn about omission of articles. Omission means where we will not use article. We will omit articles for that place. Like before material nouns. Now gold is a metal, all of us know. And before this we will not use article. Second is before abstract nouns. Abstract nouns all of you must be knowing. Okay, let me tell you once again. These are the nouns which we cannot see or touch. We can only feel them. So honesty is an abstract noun. So we will not use any article here. Before proper nouns means proper name of a person, place or a thing. Like here, is Rahul absent today? Rahul is a proper noun, so we haven't used any article here. Now before plural countable nouns that refer to the entire class. Now here elephants are huge animals. Here we are talking about entire class of elephants. So we will not use articles here also. So these are the four rules you need to remember where we will not use articles. Before material nouns, before abstract nouns, before proper nouns, and before plural countable nouns that refer to the entire class. So students, our session ends here. So kindly keep watching this video properly to remember the rules. Students, for grammar, you need to remember the rules if you want to get correct answers. And things will become more clearer as and when you will do the practice exercises. Thank you. Have a nice day.